Oumuamua, a strange alien object that passed through our solar system in 2017 that sparked one of the wildest waves of speculation in recent memory. It was the first confirmed interstellar visitor ever detected. A piece of something from beyond our own star system, moving too fast to be bound by our sun's gravity. Its shape, its speed, and its trajectory all seemed unusual, and for a brief moment, it felt as if humanity had brushed against something truly alien. This is the only image of Oumuamua we have. Every image and video you see is someone's interpretation of what Oumuamua may look like. But the fact is, we do not know for sure. This helped fuel a sort of cult-like fascination, transforming a bizarre yet natural phenomenon into a wellspring of mystery and conspiracy. Part of what fueled the intrigue was how odd Oumuamua's behavior appeared. It appeared long and narrow, perhaps a few hundred meters in length, but only a fraction as wide. It looked more like a flattened cigar rather than the typical circular shapes we expect from asteroids and comets. It was tumbling through space in a way that made it difficult to determine its exact shape. Even stranger, after it slingshot itself around the sun, it accelerated, a lot more than expected. That tiny unexplained burst in speed triggered a frenzy of even more questions, igniting rumors and stories that it may have been more than just an alien asteroid. There was rampant speculation that it may have an engine or that it was being steered. What should have been an alien intergalactic rock became the focus of public speculation that it might be a probe from another civilization. We never got a clear, detailed image of Oumuamua, which helped fuel speculation. It was detected only after it had already made its closest approach to Earth, and by then, it was too small and dim for even the most advanced telescopes to observe clearly. We only had measurements of how its brightness changed as it rotated, leaving its true appearance up to interpretation. The lack of any clear explanations became fertile ground for speculation and the spread of wild theories. Some people claimed it was an alien spacecraft disguised as an asteroid. Others suggested it was a fragment of a destroyed alien world, deliberately ejected as a message. Theories popped up that it was a solar sail, a thin sheet designed to catch starlight, abandoned or sent intentionally to drift between star systems. Even respected scientists, like Harvard astronomer Avi Loeb, openly suggested the possibility that Oumuamua was artificial. That only fanned the flames of mystery even more. Oumuamua inspired a cult-like fascination. On social media, it was described as proof of alien contact, a harbinger of secrets that governments were purposefully hiding, or maybe even an alien scout ship quietly observing us. People connected it to everything from theories of ancient Egypt to alien UFO sightings, weaving it into a tapestry of speculation that had little to do with actual science. Because it came from another star, it felt inherently otherworldly. And because it left our solar system never to return, it also felt like a missed opportunity, something that slipped through our fingers before we could truly study and understand it. But the truth turned out to be far less dramatic. Oumuamua was almost certainly a natural alien object, but it wasn't a ship or some sort of beacon from a lost world. Its strange shape was most likely carved by natural processes over millions, even billions of years. Collisions and cosmic erosion helped shape it into its odd, elongated appearance. Its mysterious acceleration around the sun was likely the result of outgassing, jets of gas that are released when sunlight heats its surface. But because Oumuamua didn't have the visible tail of dust and gas we normally associate with comets, that explanation didn't seem obvious at first. It may have been composed of unusual ices, like hydrogen or nitrogen, that evaporate invisibly in space. Oumuamua wasn't a spacecraft, it wasn't a messenger, and it wasn't a sign of extraterrestrial intelligence. It was a piece of space rock from another solar system, likely a shard of ice or rock, ejected long ago, drifting through space for billions of years between the billions of stars in our Milky Way galaxy. Its shape, its motion, and its behavior only seemed mysterious because it was unlike anything we had seen before. It was our first glimpse of an interstellar object up close. Scientists expect to see many more objects like Oumuamua. In fact, a second interstellar visitor was spotted in 2019, and it behaved much more like a traditional comet. The real story of Oumuamua isn't one of alien contact, but of human imagination. Our brains are wired to find meaning in the unknown, to fill gaps in knowledge with possibility. When faced with the unknown, human beings instinctively seek explanations and often assign deeper meaning to mysterious objects and events. Human curiosity wants to find a connection beyond our world. This is the foundation on which a cult and religion are born. A way to make sense of the unknown through simple, relatable explanations for what we have yet to fully understand. In the end, Oumuamua was a rock, a shard from another world trillions of miles away, passing silently through our part of the galaxy, reflecting our hopes, our fears, and endless curiosity of what awaits us in the endless expanse of the cosmos.